Step 1. Select any proven to convert landing page. Opt-in form template as per your needs and niche. Step 2. Edit and customize, matching your marketing objectives. Step 3. That's it. Now, start publishing your pages or send emails to your list in their primary mailbox and start profiting like never before. Kyza is even loaded with awesome features like fully customizable drag and drop page builder that creates stunning landing pages for any biz. Mobile-ready technology creates responsive pages, websites, designs, opt-in forms, emails that work on any device ultra-fast. A vast collection of brand-building graphics templates with inbuilt Pixabay integration, multiple types of smart lead garnering opt-in forms, suiting every marketing goal to capture leads, advanced AI-enabled pop-ups and opt-in forms, technology that boosts leads by showing offers as per visitors' interest, a drag-and-drop email marketing solution that creates and sends unlimited marketing emails right inside your customer's inbox. So, whatever your goal, we have a proven solution for you. So, it streamlines everything for you 24/7 even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It has got everything covered. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-art solution, and I am sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.